You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two wine names originally from Germany, also grown in Alsace, Austria, this area of Europe. The German pronunciation and how you can say it in English. If you want to learn more wine pronunciation, stay tuned. I've got more for you coming up. Riesling is how it's said in German, Riesling. Therefore in English, Riesling. The bottom one is pronounced in German pronunciation, Gewürztraminer, Gewürztraminer. Therefore in English, Gewürztraminer, Gewürztraminer. Riesling and Gewürztraminer. Can you say those correctly? Let me know in the comments down below, and here more wine videos for you to learn more. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.